Okay folks, it's time for work. Not talk too much, because too much talking takes too much time that must be given for working. So as you see, I don't have my proper shovel, but I'm gonna do like that. Alright, dirty job. I hope the phone is not falling down, because I broke my, tripod. I need to a little bit glue it. Currently I use it very tricky. Let's separate a little bit of stone. So basically this dirt will be leveled further in the project when the other wall down there will be already built, in order to support the dirt. But it's gonna be like a meter dirt, or probably less, because the level of the house will be something like that. This will be put further down there, and alright, it needs digging with shovel brother instrument. The tool behind me, I don't know what's the word in English, maybe you can help me. Please tell me in the comments, what is this called like? I don't know the word in English. Right, so maybe we can use it. A lot of stone is coming out, that's good, because I need it. Need it as a good material. Folks, that's free material for your house. Stone, dirt, my straw, my wheat straw is in my basement in Smoran, in the town, and a little bit of clay soil. A little bit of clay soil and a little bit of normal soil. Just let me not use the stones. Clear the stones. And when you mix them, it will become brick, like a brickwork. But with the straw inside and 5% of lime in every mixture, one bucket of clay soil to 2 buckets of normal soil to 1 bucket of straw. You mix it and you add up like 2 hand sips of of kind of lime, just something like that in the whole of this mixture. So this is going to be the cob material for the building of the cob part of the house. Of course, first digging work, trenching. Oh, it's gonna need a bit more digging, but see, I already have this. I have to protect this for special tasks and use more this one, it's gonna help me anyway. Last year I used the terrible small old instrument. You gotta be, I'm sorry, please use protective glasses when you dig. Maybe I have to use in my next video. I have in home some protective glasses. These are good stones. for stone masonry. Very useful for special tasks, you know, tasks. Stay there. Okay. Yeah, I have to, if you have this tool like that, you can put a screw or 2 screws, but what will help first, most will, you know, this of course, but then soak it in water for 24 hours. Those of you who don't know, most people know that. You can soak the wood and the next morning it will be very tough. Alright. We need to do some fitness. Nice stony. Well, let's get a rest, right? So I think, folks, this is gonna slow me. I have one small shovel at home. Tomorrow I'm gonna bring that, but now I'll clear that grass down there to prepare for tomorrow. It's not yet sunrise, there is some time, but let me do some grass clearing. So let me show you. I just put the phone like here because it's broken. I'm gonna glue it tonight in home. Do some preparing for the next days to do some work here. Oh, sorry, folks. This is the grass I'm gonna clear. I cleared a little bit. This is spiky. This is spiky. That's dangerous, you know. See that? So let me do some work, folks.